Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the hole and wall material. This dictates repair method. Measure and mark a neat rectangle that fully contains damaged drywall. Then score and cut along your lines with a utility knife or drywall saw. Make the edges straight so the patch fits snugly. Install a 2x backing board inside the cavity, centered behind the cut. Screw through existing drywall into the backing to secure it. Once done, remove debris and vacuum the area so the next step bonds properly. You now fit a drywall patch cut to the exact rectangle. Test fit and trim if needed so the patch sits flush. Screw the patch into the backing with screws spaced about 6 apart and countersink them slightly so compound hides the heads. Next, apply self-adhesive or paper tape over all seams. This prevents cracks. Immediately float a thin layer of joint compound over the tape with a taping knife, feathering the edges to blend into the wall. Make sure to let it dry fully before sanding. You finish by applying 2 more coats of joint compound, each wider than the last to feather into surrounding wall. Allow each coat to fully dry and sand lightly with fine grit between coats for a smooth finish. Once smooth, prime the patched area to ensure paint adhesion and uniform color, then paint to match the wall. If you see hairline cracks after drying, retape the seam and use a setting-type compound for greater strength. This prevents recurrence and keeps the repair lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.